Today I am at the South Coast Botanical Gardens. I have never been here before, mostly because I don't live in the South Coast area. I've been to Huntington Gardens numerous times, Descanso Gardens as well. So I'm really excited to see what they have. They do have an art exhibit called Washed Away, which is art made out of garbage found in the ocean. So I'm pretty excited to see that. The exhibit is called Washed Ashore, not Washed Away, and it's unique sculptures featuring rubber and plastic materials that have literally washed ashore from the ocean. Also hidden across the 87 acres are a series of sculptures from LACMA, Los Angeles County Museum of Art, as part of an exhibit called Hide and Seek, Art Meets Nature. And of course, 87 acres of lush landscape, flowers, woodlands, paths, manicured lawns, and more. All of the sculptures have names. This is Seymour, the sea lion pup. Here's all the stuff used to create him. This guy is Sebastian James, the tufted puffin. Look how tall he is. This cactus garden makes me feel like I have left Southern California and transported straight into the desert. It's pretty impressive. Here's a little desert music to set the mood. Looks like an alien species. I'm in between two cacti called candelabrum that are huge, about 3 to 4 stories high. It's a cactus from South Arabia, southern, I don't know. We have definitely left the desert and now we're in a very heavily wooded area. I guess more central United States? I don't know. That's really pretty. I found this bench nestled away under some trees off the main trail where you can just sit in the cool shade of the trees and enjoy nature. I am so impressed with the art that they have been able to create with the junk that washes ashore. This is pretty incredible, and they have the name of the piece of art next to each one, and also can you find in a list of things that are incorporated in the artwork. So it's pretty cool. Check out this piece of art. This is pretty interesting. They don't have much about it, but the name of it is 4 lines oblique gyratory square. So that kind of implies there's a gyroscope in there somewhere. I wish they had a little more information about it, but it is a very, very cool piece of art. Shortly after that, I found Finn, the mako shark. Look at all the stuff used to create him. And this interesting sculpture in a meadow. So far, I think this is my favorite piece of art. This is a leatherback turtle who mostly eats jellyfish, and the leatherback turtle is an endangered species. but plastic bags look a lot like jellyfish, so these turtles end up eating the plastic inadvertently. So I think this art really captures that story. I found Grace, the humpback whale tail, Lydia, the seal, Stanley, the sturgeon, and Greta, the great white shark. These botanical gardens are huge. Look at all the paths that they have. I've been going around the Tram Trail, which goes around the perimeter of the park, but I'm going to be heading into some of the dirt paths in the center, and I want to find my way to the lake. Did you see that? The little bunny. I wonder if he's delivering Easter eggs. I'm sorry, I have to interrupt the video right now. My sister has a farm in Kentucky and she's got trail cams set up in the wooded areas. And she sent me this clip for Easter. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Okay, I'll play it again. This is what bunnies do in the dark when they think no one is looking. Back to the video. This is the rose garden. By and large, the roses haven't started blooming yet, but you can just imagine how beautiful it's going to be when they're all in full bloom. Right across from the rose garden is this jellyfish. How cool is that piece of art? This is Rosa, the bald eagle. Look at those massive claws. All right, we are almost to the lake. There's no lake. I think this is where the lake would have been, but there's no lake. So that is disappointing. However, the South Coast Botanical Gardens is really a unique, interesting place to come. If you're in Southern California, I would highly recommend it. I hope this helps you find your adventure. Thank you for watching.